Coming to the examples now. These are going to be the most important examples, okay, so that you can understand the theory that we have earlier seen. Here first we'll see the algebra of functions, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us go through this example first. If fx is equal to x square plus 2 and gx is equal to 5x minus 5. These are two separate functions, f and g. Then we have to find f plus g of 1. Here this means add f and g when the value of x is 1. Second is f minus g when x is equal to minus 2. F into g with the values 3m. In place of x we will put 3m. Fourth, f upon g with the value 0. First we'll see addition and subtraction. F plus g of x means fx plus gx. F plus g of 1. See here, in place of x, everywhere now we'll put, in this first part, in place of x we will put 1. Substitute the value as 1. So fx becomes f1, gx becomes g1. f1 means you will use this function, but in place of x what we will put? 1. So 1 square, because here you have x square. 1 square plus 2 plus gx is 5x minus 8. So 5 into 1 minus 8. When you open up these brackets, you will get 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. As simple as that. Similarly, we will do the subtraction. F minus g of x means fx minus gx. We have f minus g of minus 2. In place of x, everywhere now we will put minus 2. F minus 2 minus g minus 2. What is fx? X square plus 2. In place of x, now what we will substitute? Minus 2. So minus 2 square plus 2. This is fx. Minus 5 into minus 2. Gx is 5x. So 5 into minus 2, minus 8. When you open up the brackets, we will have 4 plus 2 minus 5 2s are minus 10 minus 8. So minus 10 minus 8 will become minus 18. When you open up the brackets, that will become plus 18. So 6 plus 18 is 24. Now we'll see the multiplication and division. F into g of x means fx into gx. F into g of 3m. In place of x here we will put 3m now. F of 3m into g of 3m. So what is fx? X square plus 2. In place of x put 3m. That becomes 3m square plus 2 into, in place of this x put 3m. 5 into 3m minus 8. Open up this bracket, you will get 9m square plus 2. 5 3s are 15m minus 8. Then you have two separate brackets. Open up and multiply. First multiply 9m square with the entire bracket. Then multiply 2 with the entire bracket. We will get 135m cube minus 72m square plus 30m minus 16. Then we go on to the division now. F upon g of x means fx divided by gx. F upon g of 0 means f0 upon g0. In place of x now we will put 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. And in place of x put 0. 5 zeros are 0. Minus 8 is minus 8. So 2 upon minus 8, you can reduce it to minus 1 upon 4. See this example now. Find x if fx is equal to gx where fx is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x square and gx is equal to 11x square. Now we have already given fx and gx values. Because it is given fx is equal to gx, we will put the value of fx, which is x raised to 4 plus 2x square, equal to gx, which is 11x square. Change the side of 11x square. When you shift it to the opposite side, it will become minus 11x square. So 2 minus 11 gives you minus 9. X raised to 4 minus 9x square is equal to 0. Here we have x square as common, so we will take it outside. X square into brackets, now we have x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have two possible values of x square. One is x square, that is x square is equal to 0, or this bracket x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Root of x here will be 0 only, or when you change the side of 9, x square is equal to 9. Here we have two possible values. One is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to, okay, because this will become root of 9. Root of 9 is 3. It could be positive 3 or it could be negative 3. So the values are x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus or minus 3. Next we have if fx is equal to 4x minus 2 when x is less than equal to minus 3. See, this is a step function. Fx is equal to 5 when x is between minus 3 and 3. Minus 3 is less than x and x is less than 3. Fx is equal to x square when x is greater than or equal to 3. Here you have to find out 4 answers. These are the 4 questions. First is f minus 4. See, first you have to check where is the value of minus 4 lying in these steps. See, here the value is x is less than equal to minus 3. Which number is less than minus 3? Here in these questions you have to first identify which function are you going to use with these values. Let us start. F minus 4. Now in these sets, these steps, where does minus 4 lie? Here the value of x is less than or equal to minus 3. Okay, is minus 4 less than minus 3? Yes. So for this function you will use this function 4x minus 2. For the value f minus 4 we will use this function 4x minus 2. What value will you put here? X will become minus 4. So f minus 4 is equal to 4 into minus 4. See, we are using this function. In place of x, put minus 4. 4 into minus 4 minus 2. 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 minus 2 gives you minus 18. Understood? Now the next one is f minus 3. Where is minus 3? The value, the range of minus 3. Let us start from first only. X is less than equal to minus 3. Yes, see, x is equal to minus 3 is also the same function. So again you will use the same function, but what value will you put here for x? Minus 3. So f minus 3 is equal to 4 into minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 12 minus 2 gives you minus 14. Okay. Next, see, f1. Where is the value of 1 lying now? Here you had x is less than or equal to minus 3. Okay, equal to minus 3 but not greater than minus 3. 1 is greater than minus 3. Here the values are x is between minus 3 and 3. So x is less than 3. Which numbers are less than 3? 0, 1, 2. See, 1 is lying over here. So which function you will use? Fx is equal to 5. So f1 is equal to 5 directly. Next is f5. See, here we have the range -3 to 3. So phi is not lying over here. The value of x, phi, is not here. Let us go through the third step. X is greater than or equal to 3. Whenever the value of x will be greater than 3 or equal to 3, we will use this function x square. Since phi is greater than 3, we will use x square. f5 is equal to phi square. Phi square is equal to 25. Next important questions. If fx is equal to 2 upon x plus 5 and gx is equal to x square minus 1, then find, now see, this is composite function. First you have to find f(OG) of x and then g(OF) of 3. Let us see the first one. f(OG) of x means f of gx. See, first see what is the first term. First is f. So keep f as it is. Then put the entire g function gx. So first you will use f. What is f? It is 2 upon x plus 5. In this function f, wherever you have x, use the entire g function. Replace x from fx by gx. We will get f(OG) of x 2 as it is upon, in place of x you will put gx plus 5. 2 is as it is. What is gx? X square minus 1. So put x square minus 1 plus 5. Plus 5 is over here. So we will get 2 upon x square minus 1 plus 5 will be plus 4. So f(OG) of x is 2 upon x square plus 4. Let us see the next one now. Next is g(OF) of x. So keep g as it is. In that function g, wherever you have x, we will use fx. What is gx? Gx is x square minus 1. In that function g, replace x by, in this function, in place of x, put fx. So g(OF) of x is equal to, see what is this, x, na? So in place of x, put fx. So fx square minus 1. What is fx? 2 upon x plus 5. So 2 upon x plus 5 the whole square minus 1. This is the function. Now you have to find when the value of x is equal to 3. g(OF) of 3. In this function, see, now you have the ready formula. In this formula, wherever you have x, put 3. Simple. 2 upon, see, here you have x plus 5, so 3 plus 5. Other things you have to copy as it is. Square plus minus 1. 3 plus 5 is 8, so 2 upon 8 the whole square minus 1. When you cancel this, reduce it to 1 upon 4 the whole square minus 1. Square of 1 is 1, square of 4 is 16. When you get the LCM, you will get minus 15 upon 16. So the sums are very easy and all these are important for your exams. Thank you, dear students.